The biggest issues facing the homeowners insurance business today are really going to fall into two categories. The first is really the changes to the customer expectations and experience that is being required for insurers to really deliver to the buyers or to the agents. And that's being driven, at least in part, by some of the upstart insurtechs and so forth that are really pushing that issue and really raising the bar. It's also being driven by some external forces and expectations that consumers have, everything from the Amazons.coms to, even just in general going to the grocery store and being able to check out yourself and quickly without having to wait in line. So those are certainly driving to a large extent. The other is really data and analytics from the standpoint of, there's so much more data available, and that includes IoT, but that also includes any number of different data assets that are out there and available. And then B, the ability of insurers and the advances of data science to really find a signal within all that noise. It's creating a system or a situation where carriers can continually be improving on things like their rating as well as their underwriting practices and so forth. And that's really going to be a continually escalating bar as we move forward into the future. I think if you look at opportunities, first of all, on the customer experience side, a lot of where I focus my time and energy is on data and providing the data at the point of quote, for example, to facilitate the buying process, not just understanding the property characteristics and things associated with the home, but understanding the full elements of the risk so that you can anticipate the needs of the consumer, so that you can anticipate what their buying preferences are going to be, and you can provide back quoting and policy coverages that really fit the needs of that consumer without putting them through an interrogation. In terms of what I would tell insurers to do to get started today, I think I would really ask them to focus and start simple. There's a lot going on right now when you think about insurtech, about IoT, about all of the different sources of information and improvement and so forth, technology that can change the way they do business. You can easily end up in a situation of paralysis by analysis. And what I would really encourage folks to do is to start small, remember what their core objectives are, and to begin through trial and error, try some pilots, try a few small pilots, and really determine what's going to help you kind of take that next step forward into the future as an organization.